Completion percentage for Scrum of Scrums. The Scrum of Scrums landing page shows the progress of each team via bars displaying percentage completion. By default, these are based on the Done user stories. The All Team section shows the combined progress. To make changes, select the settings and go to the General Settings section. Select the appropriate field, for example, by Done Story Points. Upon saving, updated progress bars are shown. Note that each team section's default progress is shown by Done Story Points. You may change it from the drop-down. If impediments or action points follow-up is the most important part of your Scrum of Scrums, then you may choose one of these options from the percentage completion section. Selecting the Action Points option now shows the 50% completion as 1 out of 2 action points is completed. This data is specific to the sprint that is currently ongoing. If today's date doesn't match any of the sprint dates, no data will be shown in this section.